Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to boost your hair growth and combat hair loss, you've come to the right place. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Today I'm talking about 11 powerful essential oils that can help you achieve that luscious mane you've always wanted. Let's dive right in. First up, we have this oil is known for its ability to improve cellular generation, which can significantly improve hair thickness. A study even showed that rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, but with fewer side effects. Next, this one has a cooling effect that increases blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth during the anagen or growing phase. Third on the list is it has antimicrobial properties that can help improve scalp health. Plus, it smells amazing. Moving on to this oil helps balance the oil-producing glands in the scalp. It's also known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can prevent hair loss. Next we have, known for its powerful cleansing, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, it can help unblock hair follicles and increase hair growth. Let's not forget, it contains linolyl acetate, which is known to promote hair growth. It can also improve hair strength, making your hair less prone to breakage. Seventh on the list is, this oil can actively promote hair growth by stimulating the scalp and preventing hair loss. Then we have, it's perfect for dry scalps, as it stimulates sebum production. Lack of enough oil and sebum can cause hair to become dry and brittle. Next up, it has healing properties that can reduce dandruff and improve scalp health, which in turn promotes hair growth. The 10th oil is, it's known for its soothing properties and ability to promote hair growth by keeping the scalp healthy and free from infections. Last but definitely not least, we have, known as liquid gold, it's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which are essential for keeping your hair moisturized and strong. So there you have it. 11 powerful essential oils to boost hair growth and combat hair loss. Remember, consistency is key, and it's always best to do a patch test before trying any new products. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. See you next time.